Hi, I'm Regine, and I'm 58 years old. And when I was 50 years old, I came to Dr. Forley, unhappy with and some wrinkles and just general kind of signs of aging. And at that time, I decided to work with some of the anti-aging creams that Dr. Forley gave me. And those helped and worked for a while. And then I found myself at 58 and looking in the mirror and not feeling like the person that I saw. I felt much younger than the person that I saw in the mirror. So I came back to Dr. Forley, and we decided after consultation to do a facelift and upper and lower eyelids. The experience was, everything I expected it to be. I was very well prepared for what would happen, and went into it and basically gave up a day for my face. And when I came, had a couple of weeks of recovery, 3, 4, 6 weeks of recovery, but actually by week 4, I attended a formal waltz ball. I was fit enough and looking good enough in terms of whatever bruising or swelling that I could look great at this waltz ball 4 weeks after that surgery. So how good is that? The other kinds of things that happened to me after post-surgery were just walking down the street and waiting at a stoplight, and a cop came up to me and said, "Hey, would you like to go for a cup of coffee?" And quite honestly, I didn't have that happen to me before surgery. So I've had person after person tell me that I look way more in my 40s than close to 60. So far as I'm concerned, it's taken close to 20 years off my appearance. And the way I look at it also is that, it wasn't changing me. It wasn't altering me. It was really just taking my face back to where it was before age and gravity got a grip on it. So I was able to, and this again, I think has to do with Dr. Forley's technique of working on the foundation of my face, moving my muscles and tissue and my cheeks back to where they were, not sagging down, and a jawline that, wasn't a jawline. So today I have nice cheeks and a good jawline, and yet I think it's still age appropriate. I don't look, I didn't want to look 20. I still look middle-aged, but I look, I think, vibrant and much more young, and my eyes are more alert and open. I couldn't be happier. Now I can just kind of forget about my face and live in it happily.